Travel, an exhilarating journey that takes us beyond the mundane and into the extraordinary. Yet one common hurdle often stands between us and our dream destinations: the budget. Imagine the thrill of standing atop a windswept mountain, the awe of gazing upon ancient ruins, or the joy of immersing yourself in a bustling city's vibrant culture. Traveling can be a transformative experience, offering a chance to learn, grow, and create unforgettable memories. But then, there's the flip side, the daunting task of budgeting. The airfares, accommodations, meals, the list goes on and on. Suddenly, the dream of exploring new places seems trapped behind a financial wall. However, let's redefine this. Budgeting isn't a barrier. It's a tool. It's about making smart choices that allow us to experience the wonders of the world without emptying our bank accounts. But fear not, fellow adventurers. Talescape Treasury is here with some savvy tips that will help you conquer the budget beast. Our first tip is all about flexibility, specifically with your travel dates. Now, we all have our preferred times to travel, but sometimes shaking things up can lead to significant savings. Let's delve into how this works. Consider planning your trips during off-peak seasons. Not only are flights and accommodations generally cheaper during these periods, but you'll also enjoy less crowded tourist spots. A win-win situation, wouldn't you agree? Next, midweek flights can be a goldmine for budget travelers. Airfares typically dip on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so it's worth exploring these options. And finally, try to avoid traveling during holidays. It's a simple supply and demand scenario. When everyone wants to fly, prices soar. So unless it's absolutely necessary, skip the holiday rush. In essence, this tip is about embracing unpredictability and letting the winds of travel carry you to your destination, albeit at a fraction of the cost. Remember, a little flexibility can go a long way in stretching your travel budget. Our second tip takes us on a culinary journey. Embrace local cuisine. Picture this: you're in a vibrant market, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of locals. You're not in a pricey tourist trap restaurant, but instead, you're standing in front of a humble street food stall. Your senses are overwhelmed with enticing aromas and the sizzling sounds of food being freshly prepared. This is where you'll find the heart of a region's cuisine, and it's often much lighter on the wallet too. Eating locally is about more than just saving money. It's a delicious way to delve deeper into the culture of your destination. Every bite tells a story of the land, the people, and their traditions. Each dish is a new opportunity to understand and appreciate the local way of life. So why not swap that familiar fast food joint for a local eatery? Or try that street food you've never heard of. So take your taste buds on an adventure and save some cash in the process. Our third tip is to keep moving, but in a budget-friendly way. You're in a new place, eager to explore, but those taxi meters and rental car fees can add up quickly. Why not consider walking, biking, or using public transport? Not only will your bank balance breathe a sigh of relief, but you'll also get to see more of the local area. Walking is free, and it's a fantastic way to stumble upon hidden gems. Biking, too, can be a cost-effective and fun way to get around, while also keeping you active. Public transport, on the other hand, is a real window into everyday life. It's usually cheaper than a taxi, and you might even strike up a conversation with a local and get some insider tips. So remember, every journey is an adventure. By choosing these alternatives, you're not only saving money but also gaining experiences. So embrace the journey, not just the destination, and your wallet will thank you. There you have it, 3 simple yet effective tips for traveling on a budget. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember, flexibility with your travel dates can save you a significant amount of money, so be open to changing your plans if it means a cheaper flight or accommodation. Next, we talked about embracing local cuisine. Not only is this a great way to save money, it's also an opportunity to immerse yourself in the culture of the place you're visiting. Last but not least, we discussed the benefits of walking, biking, or using public transport. This is not only a greener option, but can also lead to unexpected discoveries along the way. Remember, the joy of travel isn't about how much you spend, but the experiences you gain. So don't let budget constraints hold you back from exploring and enjoying new places. For more travel tips, make sure to subscribe to Talescape Treasury. Your adventure awaits, and we're here to help you make it happen without breaking the bank.